What was that again that we were doing last time?
And Briggs was inside and we were watching you.
You were watching me? And what was I doing? I was mowing the lawn. What happens when you're older?
Oops, there's zombies.
When you get older, what do you get to do? Cook? That would be really fun.
And what else? I think he told me when I became a kid, then you could carry me when you mow the lawn. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
That would be fun.